Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to make crochet hook holder or crochet pen holder. This is what it looks like. Before we get started, we need to prepare all the materials. We need 2 yarns, 1, 2, we need 1 scissor, we need 1 yarn needle, we need 1 crochet hook with 8/0 or 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. In this first stitch, we will make 2 single crochet like this. Insert your hook here at the first stitch. Then let's make this is the first single crochet. Then we will make again in the same stitch, we will make again another single crochet. This is how we make it. Now, same procedure until we will make 2 single crochet each chain until we make it here. Second crochet. This is the last chain. Insert 1 single crochet, then another one single crochet to make it 2 single crochet in the last chain. Now we completed our 18 single crochet in row 2. This is the row 2. This is row 1 and this is the row 2. We have 18 single crochets in row 2. Let's count the 18 single crochet in row 2. This is, let's count. 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, we go to the third row. First, insert your hook here. Then we will make a 1 single crochet. Then let's make another 1 single crochet in same. Now, let's make another 1 single crochet in same stitch to make it 2. Then, in the next stitch, we will make only 1 single crochet. Then, in the third chain, we will make 2 single crochet. Here's the first one. And then in the same stitch, we will make the second single crochet. Now, we have 2 single crochet here at the first, then the second 1 single crochet, and the third 2 single crochet. On the fourth, we'll make 1 single crochet. The pattern is 2, 1, 2, 1. Now, let's get a marker. Put your marker here Then let's continue the third row. Now, we made our last chain in the last stitch. Now we will slip stitch. We will remove our marker. Then we will make here now here we'll place our hook here, and we will start here our fourth row. Then insert our hook here,